some time of the month you will have acne and all of that, or pimples as a woman. Sometimes you don't. I got this product and I found out that they work so effectively when it comes to acne. You can just take it out, wipe your face. Then another thing that I'll be recommending for you, which is the Oga Patapata of them all. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Thank you for clicking in, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. If you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Ugochukwu and Ezinne, and you're highly welcome. So in this particular video today, we'll be talking about the effective skincare product confirmed for acne prone skin. Okay, I got this product and I found out that they work so effectively when it comes to acne, and I thought that yeah, it would be very good for someone that have acne prone skin. Okay, so I'll be showing you this product, and also I'll be advising you to try them out if you are an acne prone skin type, and by God's grace it is going to work for you. Okay, because I see them that they are very, very effective. Okay, so the first thing I'll be talking about is this particular product, Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone 3-in-1 Cleanser. This particular product is everything. You need this for your acne. You need this in case you are having acne on your face. You need this particular product. It's not a sponsored ad. Like, I am just telling you what I noticed, and it might also help you. Okay, so you need this. You can use it as wash, like to wash your face. You can use it as scrub. You can use it as mask. I think I did a review on this particular product. You have to check out that video, because without checking it out, you might not really know exactly what you are getting. Another one I'll be talking about is your sunscreen. You can get any sunscreen of your choice. Just make sure that it has SPF 50 upwards. Okay, or you can try this for affordability. I think this one is quite affordable. It's like 2,500 naira or thereabouts. This is Dr.Rashel sunscreen. I also made a review about this particular sunscreen, which I'll be attaching to this video, maybe on the description box or anywhere, so you can check it out. It will help you to take out your dark spots from your acne. Like, you know, those, if you are the type that always have acne, you notice that you will have lots and lots of dark spots on your face, like the acne scars and all of that. So it will help you to heal, to brighten it, and also to protect your skin from sun. Okay, it will help you to also protect your skin from sun, because when the sun hits your pores, it might affect you, and it might make you to have lots and lots of breakouts. Another one I'll be talking about is vitamin C. You need it to help you heal your acne, heal your acne scars, and also brighten your dark spots. Okay, so you need vitamin C. If you are an acne prone skin type, you need vitamin C. If you can't afford one for the moment, I posted a video on how to make your own vitamin C serum at home. You can check it out in the description box below. You know all that vitamin C does to your body. If you take it, like the one that is vitamin C medicine, when you take it, it's going to help you heal. It's going to help you boost your immune system and to heal fast from any kind of injury. Okay, so the same thing with this particular vitamin C that is for facial. You can use any of them. It will help you to heal your acne, heal any scar at all on your face, and brighten your acne scars, your acne dark spots, and all of that. So that is another thing that you need. And another thing I recommend is this facial wipes. It might not be this particular one. Okay, this one is Beauty Formula Argan Oil Cleansing Facial Wipes. Okay, so this can be used as a cleanser. It can also be used as a cleanser. So for someone that uses makeup, if you are the type that uses makeup a lot, you know, makeup can actually contribute to your acne if you are someone that uses makeup, because when your pores are clogged with things that are not supposed to be there, it can get inflamed and you start experiencing all that breakout. So you need a facial wipes, not just baby wipes. Okay, sometimes if you want to reapply your sunscreen in the day, you can just take it out, wipe your face, you know, take out some dirt and apply your sunscreen. And another thing I'll be talking about is your toner. You can use rose water, because I always recommend rose water because that's what I use and that's what I love using. Rose water is very nice for your skin. It is going to help you tone up those dark spots. That's from acne scars. You can get any brand of your choice and you are good to go. Then another thing that I'll be recommending for you, which is the oga patapata of them all, is this particular soap. There is this Igbo song they used to sing. They say, Imebe imetebe Jesus, Imarani bidobe imeboy, Eji my own self umata, Jesus sonye na so. Like when you are making friends and you have not made Jesus Christ your friend, you should know that you have not started making friends. So what am I saying? If you are an acne prone skin and you are getting your skincare products and you have not gotten this particular soap, just know that you have not gotten anything, okay? Because tell me what you do, what else you do if you don't have this soap as an acne prone skin type. Tell me what you do without this soap. This soap is anti-wrinkle, anti-toxin, anti-acne. It's anti-wrinkle, firms, lifts, hydrates, brightens, smoothing, and refreshes. Like, it does a lot to your skin. So you can use it to wash your face often, like now and then. Even if you're not using it to bathe, it is very good. And this particular soap, I have it in store in case you need it. I sell it, okay? So if you need it, you can check me out on any of my social media handle and get one for yourself, okay? That's all for this particular video. If you have learned something from this video and you enjoy watching it, take out some moment and like this video, okay? Like it, and you can also super chat me, super thanks me. In that way you are supporting me, you are telling me well done, and I appreciate that, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If I watched this extent, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on your bell notification. And don't also forget to stay safe out there. It is very important to you and me. See you in my next video. Bye.